Hello, everyone. My name is Jayna, and the wine that I chose for my midterm is called Crémant. So the winery that my bottle is from is called Schramsberg, and the grape varietals are Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Flora. So the white wine that I chose for the video, I chose it because I really enjoy sparkling wine, and I wanted to learn more about this variety. So the sparkling wine is from Napa Valley, California. The commonly used name is pronounced Crémant, which means creamy in French, and it refers to a wine with lighter bubbles and fizz. It also has two-thirds the pressure of other sparkling wines and is very similar to champagne. So the grapes used to make Crémant originate in France and California, and the grapes that are used in the wine I chose are Flora, Chardonnay, and Pinot Noir. Florida is a California wine grape, which is a cross of two grape varieties. The grape used to make Chardonnay is a crossbreed between two white grapes. And Pinot Noir is a red wine grape variety, and it means black pine cone in French, named for its dark color shown in the picture on the slide. And it's one of the oldest grapes used for wine. And then a fun fact is that on August 24th, 1976, Crémant became an officially recognized sparkling wine under French law. Sparkling Wine Week is the first week of July, and August 4th is National White Wine Day. So both are coming up. This is a little bit more in depth of the geographic locations of the different varieties of Crémant. So there's many that are from France, which this wine originates from France. And then these are the highly rated, expensive, and popular affordable wines made from the grape variety. And so it was very difficult to find the wine in stores. I went to multiple liquor stores and then finally found it in the sparkling wine section. And there's only one bottle in the entire store. So that's the one that I chose to buy. And it was more on the expensive side. Upon doing my own research, I found many bottles online that were both cheap and expensive, which are listed on this slide along with their price and different type. So highly rated, expensive, and popular and affordable types. And so now we will go ahead and do our wine evaluation and tasting. So very excited to do this because I've never tried Cremant before. And so we'll go ahead and try this. It's Schramsberg. I'm not sure if you can see it that well on here, but this is the wine that I chose, and we will go ahead and try it. So I already poured it here. As you can see, it's a gold, maybe I would say like a light yellow golden color. So upon looking at it, it's definitely clear. There's no haziness in it at all. Um, and it smells very fruity. So I'm excited to try the sparkling wine because I love fruity aromas and tastes. So I'm pulling out, I think like apricot and peach a little bit. But yeah, it smells really good. So cheers. Go ahead and try it. I was not expecting this. It's definitely very crisp, but a lot smoother and less fizzy than champagne or other sparkling wines. So I actually really like this. I definitely am pulling out the peach and apricot. I know I already looked on the back of the bottle and it said that it pairs really well with um, fruit-based desserts. And so I have some freeze-dried strawberries here and we'll see how they taste with it. It tastes very well with the fruit. So the strawberries get 10 out of 10 paired with Cremant. And I'm also going to try something a little bit sweet here. So I have these sweet puppy chow. So we'll see how that tastes with it. This also paired really well with the wine that I chose. So far everything on my charcuterie board is pairing really well. I also have some grapes, so we'll see how that tastes. It's really well with the grape too. So I think this wine is good for a lot of my popular popular snacks. So anything sweet or fruity. I also have some cherries, so we'll see. Again, it tasted really good with the cherries too. I have a lot of fruit on the plate because I had researched the wine and it said it paired well with fruit. So now we'll try some freeze-dried apples. Everything's making this taste a lot better. So it's pulling out the apple, pear flavors, peach, and I think a little bit of orange in there. But I really like that too. And I also have some salty foods. So I have some potato chips, and Ritz crackers. So we'll see how that goes too. Okay, it doesn't taste that great with salty foods, but it's doable. Okay. Last thing I wanted to try it with was some pepper jack cheese because this is one of my favorite snacks with wine. Yeah, so far everything that I've paired this with has tasted really well. The bottle had recommended it tasted good with fruit-based desserts, pastries, and Asian cuisine. Um, I believe that it really would go well with all those things. It went well with everything on my plate, I would say, except for salty foods. Um, so yeah, I really like this wine a lot. I would recommend it. It is called Schramsberg Crémant, and it is from Napa Valley, California. So 10 out of 10 on that one for me.